Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by opening the Google Slides app and signing in so your work auto-saves. Once signed in, tap the plus icon to create a new presentation or pick a file from Drive to edit in place. Make quick choices now. Select a theme, page orientation, and default font so slides maintain a consistent look. This speeds layout later. You won't repeat style changes slide by slide. Once done, move immediately to adding content, text boxes, and images, so you build structure before polishing visuals. Now you'll populate slides. Tap a slide and use the plus menu to add text boxes, images from photos or Drive, shapes, or an embedded video. Drag items to reposition and pinch to resize. Long press any object for copy, delete, or layer options. Make sure to use the Align and Distribute tools in the Format menu so elements line up across slides, and duplicate consistent sections to save time. While working, preview frequently to verify pacing and visual balance before moving to transition. Finish by adding slide transitions and speaker notes. These help during presentation and rehearsal. Once your sequence looks good, tap the three-dot menu to export as PDF or PPTX, or hit Share to grant view or edit access. Use link settings for broad or restricted sharing. Make sure to review slide order in the film strip and run a quick present mode test. If syncing fails, check your internet, ensure the app is updated, and free up drive storage. Reconnecting or restarting the app often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.